should be almost there. That way we could go ahead and get some work done to the car. I know you guys are probably going to know what it is when you guys see the thumbnail and the description and stuff like that, but it's going to be pretty cool. I can't wait. So stay tuned. Watch to the end of the video.
We about to turn it on.
And as you can see, they got a Corvette right there and another one right there they're working on. So 2 Corvettes and a Mustang. Go figure. Alright, so we just got done getting everything fitted. We got an X pipe underneath there. We just got it done, so we're about to turn it on for the first time with the X pipe. See how that sounds. Alright everybody, so we just, as you saw, just got the exhaust done. It sounds definitely 10 times better easily. I mean, there's no doubt about it that it just sounds so much better. Thanks to Billy and Time Motorsports for hooking it up, okay? Definitely. If you guys don't know, he's one of the shops that we go to. It's a little bit of a drive for me, but I don't care. I'll come here every time. So and if you guys are looking for anything to get done, whether it's, you know, exhaust, whether it's performance modifications, anything like that, Titan Motorsports up in Tennessee is the place to go. Alright, we're driving back home now. We're going to have some sound clips and probably at the end of the video or so, and I just want to take this time right now to say thank you guys for all the subscribers. Thank you guys for all the support that you guys are giving me right now and helping me to try and build this channel. I want to keep doing it for you guys. I want to bring new and exciting stuff to the channel and for you guys, to keep you guys entertained and stuff like that. So if you guys have any ideas or any suggestions or anything like that for the channel, like what you guys want to see, where do you want to see we go with this car and kind of things like that. And I know there's a lot of videos out there, and I know there's a lot of people that are doing different things, but I'm here for you guys, and I want to bring out the best and do what I can for you guys. So if you guys could go ahead and drop some of those suggestions in the comment section, and I'll go through them. I normally always try to respond to people, or I'll respond on the comments or anything like that. I'm also trying to figure out what am I going to call this thing. It's white with the red interior, so I don't know what to call it yet. I don't have a name. I haven't figured it out yet. So if you guys can, or if you guys want to, go ahead and throw in the comments, different names and stuff, what you guys could come up with. I appreciate it. And same thing for, like I said, with the channel. Just drop your comments below of your ideas or anything you want to see me do, or with the car, or in general. I just want to put that out there for you guys. I just want you guys to be able to interact, and I want you guys to see that I will be interacting with you guys. I'll read your guys' comments, and I'll try to do the best I can to try and follow up, okay? So, and you guys want to stay tuned to the end of the video, because we just got a package in the mail. Other than that, let's continue the drive. This exhaust with just that X-pipe sounds so amazing. I love that tone. Definitely opens up this exhaust system. I'm really happy with it. Stay tuned to the next couple videos. Oh snap, what's this? Looks like another mod has came in. Stay tuned for the follow-up video for the unboxing of this thing here. So excited. Can't wait. Thanks for watching. We got a lot more stuff planned. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so you get the new notifications when the videos are uploaded. So much more is going to happen. You don't want to miss out.